So, the conclusion our strategic plan for the next couple of years for Colgate. Three components are usually included in a strategic plan. So, to start with executive summary, we need to say that Colgate has been offering a range of different oral care products for more than 100 years, and the mission of the company is to strive for innovation, continuously improving products to bring a healthy lifestyle that everyone deserves to have. In terms of vision, is to maintain the dominant position in the healthcare industry. Thus, they have challenges, and we will focusing on three main objectives: product development, market expansion, and sustainability. And just like this, future state plan will help us to elaborate the right approach in terms of the strategic plan. Let's talk about strategic objectives in order to address both internal and external challenges that Colgate currently may face. Thus, it's crucial to establish these objectives in order to understand what Colgate is aiming. Thus, it will market leadership, maintain and strengthen the position as the industry leader, and the aim is to gain the expansion worldwide up to 30% in the market share, including the achieving market share growth in emerging markets. Then continue to invest R&D in innovations in order to generate creative, ecologically friendly products that would give further competitive advantage. For example, in terms of sustainability, entails encouraging ecologically friendly practices, and for the global expansion, like expand the product line and penetrate new markets via the pricing strategy throughout the world. And thus, all this will help Colgate to go to the further step, which is the current strategic plan with the actions. And just like this, let's go step by step. First year, product development. Introducing a new line of environmentally friendly toothpaste, since nowadays more and more customers are interested and care about sustainability. Make research investment to develop cutting-edge dental care innovations, since the dental care products are making the most profit for Colgate. So this will allow the R&D make the competitive advantage for Colgate. Then Colgate should concentrate on market expansion in terms of concentrating on investigating the marketing appropriate tools for further commercial campaign to deepen the cultural management knowledge of Colgate in developing markets in Asia and South America, so emerging markets with plenty of opportunities. And then investigate vice purchases using the customer insight worldwide to expand improve product offerings in terms of appropriate media, taking a look at the literacy level, merchandising at the shops, check presence in the e-commerce, and yes, check if the segmentation process needs to be done again worldwide. Like, does Colgate need to resegment within its worldwide markets? Are there any changes in the middle class, and so on? In terms of sustainability, they may use less carbon emissions by achieving an energy efficient technique in the value chain in terms of distribution and manufacturing steps. Then they also may start the program of getting the used recycled Colgate items within the launch application and investigate and moreover introduce other environmentally friendly packaging materials. So the first year implementation will influence in the second year strategic plan, which will give us the elaboration and further continuation of implementation the eco-friendly packaging in order to increase the selection of sustainable products, and then utilize carbon offset programs to reach carbon neutrality. So by doing this, Colgate influences on the overall sustainability values. Hence, as it was mentioned earlier, we need to concentrate on worldwide reach. So in order to create a strong presence in new markets, as it was mentioned in emerging ones, Colgate needs to emphasize on brand visibility by increasing Colgate's investment in advertising and market promotion to increase the market share and brand awareness in emerging markets. Then bolster alliances with international merchants and e-commerce by increasing alliances and diversifying distribution channels. And just like this, let's move on the final part, third year 2025, and these further implementations would be easier to implement and tackle with because the previous implementations would give a base. So let's see. Hence, in achieving further market dominance, we may see that we need to continue to spend in customer-focused advertising and branding. And in terms of the innovation, it's really crucial to create a smartphone application for tailored oral care advice. And as we may see from the previous program 2024, it would be supposed to be launched another app, probably for recycle company items, so company needs to take a look at the performance and make the decision. Thus, it may give the company more transparency, trust, and the real results of the innovations. Thus, in terms of sustainability, Colgate really need to continue including other personal hygiene products in the recycle program, taking a lot from the performance of the previous years, and to encourage recycling and sustainability activities, educate customers about this with a QR code at the packaging, where Colgate may again put the emphasis on the application. Thus, this application by 2025 will have educational videos about sustainability, the location of the tanks for recycling and use tools, and some advices about overall personal care. So this would give a competitive, strong advantage and diversification. So we can see that this strategic plan for Colgate is the most appropriate one, and let's move to the conclusion.